Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Canada work permit from Nigeria. First, you'll need to understand the eligibility criteria and gather all your essential documents. Then, we'll walk through the application submission process, whether online or at a visa center. Finally, I'll cover what to expect after you apply, including biometrics and interviews. Let's get started on your journey to working in Canada. To begin, a crucial step is securing a legitimate job offer from a Canadian employer. Depending on the job, your employer might need a labor market impact assessment, or LMIA. You must also satisfy Canada's health and security standards. Additionally, be prepared to demonstrate that you have enough financial resources to support yourself once you arrive. Once you have your documents ready, the next step is to create an online account on the official ERC portal. Carefully complete the application form, ensuring all information is accurate. You'll then upload all your supporting documents as per the checklist provided. Finally, pay the necessary processing fees online to submit your application successfully. After submitting your application, it's important to regularly check its status online. You might be asked for additional documents or to attend an interview, so be prepared. You will also need to provide your biometrics at a designated service point. Once a decision is made, you'll be notified, and if approved, you can then make arrangements for your exciting journey to Canada.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.